What's up, Bertini fam? Now in today's video, we're going to be removing out these ugly ass black seatbelts, which make the interior look super stock, and changing them out with some custom made red ones. Now in order to do that, we do need to remove the factory seatbelts out of my Mini Cooper, and we need to send them over to our friends at safetyrestore.com. They're the ones who did my Ferrari red seatbelts and my Ford F-150 1200 horsepower race truck. Now turnaround time from them is super quick, so I'm not really worried about having the seatbelts out of the car for too long because they pretty much literally like within a few days send them right back to me. And so there's gonna be very little downtime with the Mini Cooper anyways. And so that's what we're gonna be doing today. Now, if you're interested in getting your seatbelts in any color you want, they have tons and tons of options. Do me a big favor, check out the links in the description box below and go ahead and get yourself a set of customized seatbelts. Now, like I was saying, they do have a lot more options than just red. Red is just the theme that I'm going for. I'm going for the Ferrari red seatbelts. Those are the same seatbelts that I put in my truck. I really like the way those pop, and I get tons of compliments about those seatbelts. Anyways, on that note, go ahead, if you have not yet joined the Bertini family, go ahead, join the Bertini family. Click that subscribe button and the notification bell. This way you are notified every single time I put out a new video. Stay up to date on all of my build series, especially if you click on this Mini Cooper one, stay up to date on my Mini Cooper build series. Now with all the formalities out of the way, go ahead and roll the intro. Now, removing the factory seatbelts on a Mini Cooper is super easy. We just need to pop off a few plastics here, pop out the bolt down here, and pop up the one up here, and then we'll go ahead and do the rears. All right, so for the driver's side, once you pop off this plastic, you want to make sure that you're removing these cables. Try not to turn on the car after you do this because you don't want to throw any engine codes, but that's basically what you're taking off right there, those two cables, the one to the right hand side and then the one to the left hand side. And then, yeah, like I said, try not to turn on the vehicle. All right, so the driver's side front and the driver's side rear are now out. Now we need to go ahead and move on to the passenger side. And of course, all we're gonna do is repeat the exact same processes that we did and steps that we did in order to take these off. All right, well, now that we got both the front and the rear passenger and driver side seatbelts out of the Mini Cooper, let's go ahead and head on over to the shipping store, get these things shipped out over to safetyrestore.com. This way we can get them back sooner into our hands and back in the Mini Cooper. Now, for those of you who are curious, this is what these systems look like in case you're taking them out of the car. So this is the driver's side one. This is also the driver's side one, but this is the rear on the driver's side. And then, yeah, just the, let me see if I can get that part number in there for you. The passenger side one, which is marked with an R, as you can see there, and the passenger rear. That was actually really smart, Germany. Really good idea putting L and R's on these things. Anyways, over to ship these things out. All right, well, I just got them shipped out. I sent them overnight this way I can get them back as quickly as possible. Obviously, the quicker you get your belts in the hands of safetyrestore.com's hands, quicker you probably get them back. And I'm pretty sure you've noticed by now, these are the custom red seatbelts that safetyrestore.com did for my Ford F-150 race truck. I don't know why, it's something about red seatbelts that make things look really sporty. Now, thanks to movie magic, we can go ahead and do a countdown on me receiving my red seatbelt. So 3, 2, 1. Well, fam, we got the seatbelts back and these things look fire.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
Pun intended. Safetyrestore.com absolutely killed it with these Ferrari red seatbelts. These things are gonna take the Mini Cooper to the next level. Man, these things just look so damn good. By the way, really important for those of you all who use the link in the description box below and go ahead and purchase a set of these seatbelts or any custom seatbelts from safetyrestore.com. Do not remove this zip tie until after you've installed the seatbelts. You do not want these things to retract back in to the system. Now, before I go ahead and install these things back into the Mini Cooper and show you the finished product, I want to show you how to place an order using the link provided below this so you guys can save some money if you're interested in getting your seatbelts done as well. Now, I'm going to quickly walk you through how to go about purchasing some seatbelts from safetyrestore.com. If you're interested in getting your seatbelts done in whatever color it is you're interested in getting them done, go ahead and use the link I'm about to show you. Now, this is pretty simple. All you have to do is scroll down, click the safetyrestore.com link, click colored seatbelts, and then pick the color of your choice. Now, the ones that I went with in this video are the Ferrari red seatbelt. But as you see here, they have color match, they have yellow, neon green, green, cobalt blue, etc. So there's a bunch of different options that you could choose from. If you're interested in having a darker red than mine, you're probably gonna wanna go with the elegant red. But there's a lot of choices that you can go with and pick from. Whatever you're interested, they have it, and you can order everything through my link here. So that's how you do it. Let's go ahead and get these things back into the Mini Cooper, and let me show you what the final product looks like. So as you can tell, the seatbelts turned out absolutely amazing. Safetyrestore.com did an excellent job. Everything came out absolutely perfect. Shipping time was super quick, getting these seatbelts back to me. And like I said, the quality of finish on these belts is absolutely to perfection. Now, as many of you already know, I've already had Safety Restore do one of my other vehicles in Ferrari red seatbelts, and so I already knew what this color looked like, and I knew that I absolutely wanted it. I knew that it would be perfect in the Mini Cooper. So for those of you who are interested in picking up these seatbelts, don't forget, check out the link in the description box below, or if you call them up, let them know that Michael Bertini sent you and you will get a discount. Overall, this is a 10 out of 10 mod, and it is a must-have if you have a John Cooper Works edition. Getting red seatbelts is like the ultimate custom interior mod. So needless to say, Kool-Aid Smile, super happy about doing this, and I highly recommend, if any of you really want to take your Mini Cooper to the next level and really make your interior pop, highly recommend getting your seatbelts redone, because this is like the next level of details matter.
It's nice.
Anyways, you're gonna wanna stay tuned in for my next video. My next video, we're gonna be doing some modifications to my exhaust. So make sure, if you have not yet clicked that subscribe button, go ahead, click that subscribe button and the notification bell. This way you can stay tuned in for that next video. And don't forget, I upload videos every single week. So even if you don't click that notification bell, go ahead and check back every single week. I upload new videos. Well, that's all I have for today. Make sure, above all other things, and it's most important, that you're putting out good energy into the world and you're paying it forward. I'll check y'all out later. Bye now.